In this video, we listed the 5 best budget dashcam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. 70mm Dashcam. The 70mm Dashcam 4K A139 offers a range of advanced features and improvements for enhanced video recording and smart functions. With the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 CMOS sensor, it provides improved front 4K resolution with exceptional sensitivity and low noise characteristics. The camera features HDR dual-channel recording, combining front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR for comprehensive road coverage and superior image clarity. The A139 also includes 70mm night owl vision for enhanced night footage, a 60 fps high frame rate to prevent motion blur, AI motion detection for identifying suspicious activities, and buffered emergency recording. Additionally, it offers advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and 24-hour parking surveillance with G-sensor detection. The camera supports time-lapse recording, in-app control, and footage sharing. Optional features include 4G connectivity and the ability to add accessories like the hardwire kit UP03 for continuous parking surveillance. The A139 comes with a 1-year warranty and various specifications such as a 150 degrees view angle, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 imaging sensor, 3840 by 2160 camera resolution, and support for up to 256 GB of external memory. Number 2. Vantrue Dash Cam. The S1 Pro Dual Dashcam offers comprehensive front and rear recording capabilities with upgraded Novatech chip technology, capturing clear images at high resolutions and frame rates. Featuring a Sony Starvis 2 Dual HDR night vision system, it excels in low-light conditions and balances contrasts for detailed footage. Its discreet design allows for easy installation behind the rearview mirror, while the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, accessible through their Vantrue app, provide convenient operation and accurate driving data without the need for a subscription. Additional features include hands-free voice control, emergency button, 24/7 parking mode, loop recording, G-sensor, and a supercapacitor for durability in extreme temperatures. With a range of powerful functions and specifications like a 160 degrees wide view angle, 2560 by 1440 camera resolution, and support for up to 512 GB external memory, the Vantrue S1 Pro is a versatile and reliable car DVR suitable for enhancing driving safety and convenience. Number 3. VIOFO A129 Pro Duo Dashcam. The Dashcam A129 Pro Duo is a high-quality dual-channel camera system featuring a Sony 8MP IMX317 sensor on the front camera and a Sony IMX291 sensor on the rear camera, capable of capturing ultra-clear views at Ultra HD 4K 30 frames per second or 2K 60 frames per second for the front camera. With enhanced super night vision and WDR technology, this dashcam provides clear images even in low-light conditions, ensuring sharp footage day and night. The advanced parking mode records and locks videos before and after an impact or motion, offering vital information for incidents. Equipped with wireless Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, the dashcam provides stable connectivity, real-time speed display, and GPS logging for location and speed information. Additional features include loop recording, emergency recording, motion detection, time-lapse, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for all your driving needs. Optional accessories like a Bluetooth remote control and corporal filter enhance the functionality further, while the camera's specifications include a 1-year warranty, loop cycle recording, audio recording, night vision, and support for up to 256 GB of external memory. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is a feature-packed and reliable option for enhancing safety and security while driving. Number 4. Vantrue N4 Pro Car DVR Dashcam. The Sony Starvis 2 True 4K 3-channel dashcam for cars, Featuring the latest 2023 Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, offers exceptional image quality with up to 4K resolution across all 3 channels. With advanced features like 4K HDR, Sony Starvis 2 Super Night Vision, and for parking modes for round-the-clock protection, this dashcam ensures clear and detailed footage in various lighting conditions. The device supports OTA firmware updates, faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and GPS for location tracking, making it convenient to access and share recordings. Additionally, with reliable accident recording features and hands-free voice control, the N4 Pro provides a comprehensive solution for capturing crucial evidence and enhancing road safety. Easy to install and backed by an 18-month warranty, this dashcam offers peace of mind for drivers seeking reliable and high-quality surveillance for their vehicles. Number 5. VIOFO A139 Pro. The Sony Starvis 2 Real 4K A139 Pro 2ch dash camera boasts a revolutionary Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor on the front camera, offering superior 4K resolution unmatched by most existing models. With Real 4K UHD dual-channel front and rear capabilities, it records in 4K front, 2160p at 30 fps, and rear 1080p resolutions, ensuring clear license plate capture day and night. The 4K HDR Night Vision 2.0 feature, powered by the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor with a larger image pixel and an upgraded 7-glass f1.6 aperture lens, excels in low-light conditions with HDR technology for sharp images. The dashcam includes faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless data transfer, GPS logging for speed and location, and a slim coaxial cable for discrete installations. Its 24H buffered parking mode offers 3 parking modes, while the anti-glare corporal and voice notification enhance image quality and provide status alerts. This VIOFO branded camera from mainland China packs features like G-sensor, motion detection, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and parking monitor, making it a comprehensive choice for car DVR needs.